wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best mirrorless cameras for beginners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the Olympus Pen EPL9 is a small and lightweight option that pairs with some of the most diminutive lenses on the market. That makes this a great choice for taking on vacation or carrying with you into a concert venue or sports arena. It's equipped with a micro Four Thirds sensor and very simple controls. However, it is easy to grow out of. At number 7, anyone who's used to taking most of their pictures on their cell phone will appreciate how much the Fujifilm X-A7 relies on its large touchscreen for everything from adjusting the settings to snapping photos. It's also equipped with some more physical controls as well. It's very compact and lightweight and available in attractive color options, but its burst rate is a little slow. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the Panasonic Lumix DMC GX85 can capture smooth 4K video at 30 frames per second and has image stabilizing technology built into both the body and some of its available lenses, so you can double down on your vibration reduction. It processes files in RAW format and comes with programmable function buttons. However, its viewfinder is on the small side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mirrorless cameras for beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, with a high-quality APS-C sensor, the Sony Alpha A6400 offers fast and accurate eye detection to focus in on the most important feature of your subject's face. Its burst rate makes it a smart choice for capturing sports as well. It's equipped with a high-resolution touchscreen and a wide ISO range for low-light use, but its battery life isn't great. Halfway up our list at number 4, with manual control dials for things like shutter speed and exposure compensation, the Fujifilm X-T30 looks a lot more intimidating than it is. Intuitive menus and reliable auto functions make it easy to use even for novices. It features precise autofocus tracking and a fast image processor. However, many of the lenses are on the heavy side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, if your primary interest is capturing videos, there are few better options out there than the Canon EOS RP. It can record 4K footage in log format, which allows you to enjoy much greater flexibility for color and light adjustments in editing software. It includes a fully articulating display and weighs just about a pound. It's got a convenient mode dial too. At number 2, the Olympus OMD EM1 Mark III features an excellent automatic mode that makes shooting a breeze for newcomers to the art, but it also evolves with you, offering manual controls so you can learn to express yourself more fully. It sports an attractive retro design and a tilting LCD screen. There are great lenses to choose from too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, as the company's less expensive full-frame option, the Nikon Z6 offers a great combination of professional performance and ease of use. Its phase detection autofocus is fast and accurate, and it shoots at up to 12 frames per second. It's available with a bonus lens adapter and equipped with a 24-megapixel sensor and in-body image stabilization. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mirrorless cameras for beginners, or simply click beneath this video.